good evening, guys. Northern's Nature here. Day 7 of the dock tour. Here we are on my dock. All the ice is gone, guys. Thank God. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? All the ice went off last night, guys. I'll keep you guys updated if I catch a fish. Hope you guys are having a wonderful evening. Northern's Nature, Northern Ontario here. You can see how much the water's come up. If this is your first time to finding this channel, hit the like button. Appreciate it very much. It helps out the channel. If you hit the subscribe button, that helps even better. It's free to subscribe and watch future videos. Till then, Northern's Nature signing out. You guys have a wonderful evening.